So you recently got scammed. Well, don't worry, because I have been scammed too. I know, we're both dumb. But it's okay, it's not the end of the world. We can both always recover from it financially and learn from it. But first, we're gonna teleport. Well, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to recover completely from a scam. Have you recently been scammed from a scammer from India or whatever? Have you recently also almost joined a pyramid scheme and now you want to get out of it? Well, I can relate, okay? I make dumb decisions too, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people do. And it's always time to recover, and this is how you can recover from a scam. First step, you gotta get your money back. How? Well, let's just say that you recently signed up for a pyramid scheme and then you realize afterwards that it was a pyramid scheme, and now you realize that there's no way to refund the fund that you paid. Well, that's okay, because you can report your credit card as stolen. If you report it as stolen, as I did when I joined the pyramid scheme, you will get your refund back. Just make up a story, or like just don't even make up a story. Just call your bank and be like, oh, this is not my transaction. Please remove this. And then they will, okay? And that's how I saved $137 because I fell into peer pressure and joined the pyramid scheme. But luckily, I was able to get my money back, so it's all good. Now, if you want to be extra safe from the scammers, like let's just say that an Indian dude got into your account and like stole a bit of money, and now you want to be safe from him, change your password immediately. And then what you want to do is document all of the emails, all of the messages, all of this, everything, every single thing. And then what you want to do is place a fraud record with the police or fill out an online fraud report through like a crime complaint center, aka the IC3. And now what you want to do is monitor your account, see what happens. If you catches anything happening, call your bank or call the police. Or better yet, just deposit all of your money from your bank account just so that they can't withdraw anything. And let's just say that you did all of this and you still can't get all of your money back. Well, now it's for the final step. Learn from this and move on. Sometimes you just can't do anything about it, and a mistake is a mistake and you have to learn from it, and that's it. So move on. And also share it to your friends just so that they can learn from your stupidity, just like I did. And now all you can do is just make money and move on. And if you're afraid that the scammers from India will come back and then haunt you or like ask you for money again, know that most scams only steal or scare you once. If you block them or like ghost them completely, they won't do anything further to try and haunt you. They will only move to the next victim. They will only haunt you if you stick around and then keep getting scared and then showing them that you're scared and then like complying with them. Because if you do that, you're showing that you're vulnerable and that you're scared and you're willing to give money to them. Don't do that. If you block them, they won't do anything. They will just move on to the next victim. But if you want to, you could just waste their time and troll them like Kit Boga. He trolls the scammers all the time. It's so funny. Anyways, yeah, today's a quick video. That's about it. Bye.